Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your account credentials and making sure your phone is online. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for Google Classroom, then tap Install or Get. Once done, open the app and accept any permission prompts. This lets Classroom access notifications and storage so attachments work. Make sure you know which Google account you'll use because Classroom links classes to that account. If you use multiple accounts, decide which one will host your classes before moving forward. After opening the app, tap Sign in and choose the Google account you want to use. If it's not listed, tap Add Account and enter your email and password. Once you enter credentials, complete two-factor authentication if your account requires it, following prompts on your phone or backup device. Allow Classroom to sync with your Google Calendar and Drive when asked, because that keeps assignments and attachments organized. Make sure syncing finishes. You'll see your classes populate after the first successful sync. Once your account is signed in, tap any class card to open the stream, view classwork, or contact students and teachers. If classes don't appear immediately, pull down to refresh. Make sure you selected the correct account under App Settings. If you still see no classes, force close the Classroom app, clear its cache, and reopen it. This often fixes sync issues. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall the app and then sign in again. That resolves persistent authentication or display problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.